Nancy and Roger are taking a boat trip today with their parents from Albany down to New York. Here is the name of the boat, the Alexander Hamilton. People are still coming up the gangplank, but it is almost time to start. As Roger and Nancy look on, men are taking away the gangplank. These people seem to be in a hurry. There are many kinds of boats on the river. Here, for example, is a kayak, a little boat that has to be paddled. This man is having an easier time. He has rigged up a sail for his canoe. And these people have a larger sailboat. When the wind is blowing, they can take it easy and let the breeze blow them along. By now, Roger and Nancy are wondering what makes our boat go. They remember the captain told them that our engineer was down below. Our boat has just passed under a bridge, a high bridge built to carry railroad trains across above the river from one shore to the other. And now we are coming close to the town. And here's another way that boat trips are made safe. Our boat is carrying many small boats on it, a whole row of lifeboats on each side. The lifeboats are broad and solid. They have oars for rowing and airtight tanks to keep them from sinking. Each of them will hold 20 people. Here's another boat.
Oh, look, there's the captain. Let's go see what he's doing.
Well, how do you do? Come right in.
That's the steering wheel, isn't it?
Yes, this way turns the boat to the left. And this way makes the boat go to the right.
Our boat has just passed under a bridge.